Kublai cuba ni pibaro ki ba shat page video te kene kalau ngajing tip nam ta ki jing mare marathon te kandan ngajing mare marathon apo Eastern West Khasi Hill District kabadai pra kilometer te kene kadai tang nam ta ki nong Eastern West Khasi Hill mo te lara pidai yun apo Eastern West Khasi Hill pila banishimenta nam ta kene ngajing mare Karon for unity as part of celebration of Rashtriya Ekta Diwas on 31st October 2022 at Mairang. Hapok Mairang tarik kendai live hui tarik Oktober. Tang nam ta kinong Eastern West kila banishimenta. Ki banabar ke distrik Omsha banishimenta mo. As part of celebration of Rashtriya Ekta Diwas kadai pra kilometer. At Mairang 7:15 AM starting from the office of Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi Hill District. Nam tai bot men and women ta shinrang bang thai. Tekin ai kaish price kinong job mo. Dai baningkong Lajar baar arhajar balai syajar. Bat shenrang bat kentai. Teki airu constellation nadu basau hadu bakat way ken aimar sanspa. Bat kentai bat shenrang mun ba bayu basau basan madru banyo pra hadu bakat way ken yo bat sanspa. Marway. Teki bakwa banashimenta kidi banwan ka tukas ngi mo. Hakalai pui tarik hi men step. Register ya tukas ngi ken IP ki chest number mandeng ki number hadu ndru baje hadu nyo baje. At the premises of the Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Khasi Hill District, Mairang on 31st October Arja RFR. Live hui tarik Oktober Arja RFR. Te kibakwa manashimenta sakan mau ba register akatukas ngihi mare akatukas ngi men step hi te sapan poi hapo DC office jong Mairang Eastern West. Te la syak tang ikinong Eastern West. Dalam PD Eastern West te sapan poi akatukas ngi. Tang kini kijing petip kublai juan.